Welcome to day 14 of Strength 30 Days of Tai Chi. Today's session is called Cultivating Wisdom. And so this session is really dedicated to the profound journey of gaining insights and understanding through the practice of Tai Chi. This session aims to harness the power of Tai Chi to enhance not only physical strength, but also mental clarity and wisdom. So without further ado, find a place where you can do some mindful movement. As always, don't worry about getting the movements perfect. Just follow along the best you can. I'll be your mirror image. You can have a seat at any time. We'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can. The hands can come to the lower abdomen, taking a few deep breaths in and out. As you breathe in, the belly expands. As you breathe out, the belly returns toward the spine. Abdominal breathing. Just breathing in and breathing out, arriving in the body, coming into the present moment. Letting go of all the worries from the day. Coming into the here and now. Then on the next inhale, you can hold the breath at the top just for a moment. Then let it out with a big sigh, letting out tension and stress. The hands can float down by the sides. As you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front, gathering in the energy. Bring it in towards the heart, and then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, breathing out. Feeling the sensations in the body. One more time, sink the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front to shoulder height. The arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, floating down. Nice and easy, nice and slow. One more time, opening the door. This time the hands circle in front, the palms face each other in front of the heart. And then as you breathe in, the hands open slightly. As you breathe out, they come back towards each other. As you breathe in, they open a little bit more. Breathing out. This time, big open, big breath. Accordion breathing. We'll do another round, starting off small, breathing in. Breathing out. This time, a little bit bigger. This time, big open, big breath. One more round, accordion breathing. Starting small. A little bit bigger. Big open, big breath. And then from here, the arms open up wide, the fingertips drift towards each other, the hands float down, the palms face towards the torso, and then very gently begin to rotate towards one side, the palms face away, coming back to center, turning the other way. The wise owl looks behind. Breathing in and breathing out, nice and gentle rotations. Cultivating the wisdom of the owl. One more time. The wise owl looks behind. Very nice. And then from here, circle the arms all the way around, hugging the tree right out in front. And then from here, this hand drops down and then toss away. The other hand circles on top as you step in. And then this hand here pushes down. The other one waves in towards the heart. And then rising back up, pushing down and waving in as you soften. One more time. This time, step out to the corner. And as you step out, the bottom hand brushes past the knee. The top hand pushes to the corner. Top hand circles down, bottom hand circles up. Coming back to the beginning, brush knee and push. And as always, don't worry about getting it perfect. Just feeling into the body, feeling all the sensations that you can. One more time, brush knee and push. This time the bottom hand comes up, the palms face up, the hands draw in, circle out and around, the backs of the hands face each other, and then spiral the palms back up. Mama bear gathers her cubs. Spiraling the energy and the blood flow throughout the body, creating healing and vitality. One more time, Mama Bear gathers her cubs. Then step the front foot back in, circle around, hugging the tree. And then from here, this hand drops down, toss away, other hand circles on top, step in, both hands together, pushing down and waving in as you soften. Rising back up, softening down, breathing in, breathing out. This time, step out to the corner, and as you step out, the bottom hand brushes past the knee, top hand pushes to the corner, top hand circles down, bottom hand floats up, weaving it all together. Brush, knee, and push. Just like a dance that you don't have to get perfect. Breathing in and breathing out. One more time, brush, knee, and push. This time, bottom hand comes up, the palms face up, the hands draw in, circling out and around, the backs of the hands face each other, spiral the palms back up. Mama Bear gathers her cubs. It's like you're moving through the water, nice and easy, nice and slow. One more time, Mama Bear gathers her cubs. And then step the front foot back in, circle around, hugging the tree, breathing in open, breathing out, the fingertips drift towards each other, the hands float down. This time the palms face down towards the earth, then the hands brush forward as you soften down, then the hands open, circling all the way out and around, and then as you rise up, the hands come back in front of the body. The pebble in the pond, sending waves out in all directions. The hands come forward, the hips go back. Softening down and then rising up. One more time, the pebble in the pond. This time the palms face up as the hands come forward, the hips go back again. Then the palms face away from each other, they open. Scooping under, two hands offering. Softening down as you offer. Offering love and compassion. Offering presence and kindness. And anything else you'd like to see in the world. One more time, two hands offering. And then from here, reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hugging the tree. And then from here, the hands turn, one hand on top of the other. The bottom hand drops down, tosses away. The hand waves in and then presses forward. Other side, toss away. The hand waves in. Coming forward, repulsing the monkey. Calming the monkey mind. Creating focus and clarity. Allowing wisdom to arise. You can even lean into it if you want. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, repulsing the monkey. And then from here, both arms drift over to the side, floating down, and then drifting out to the corner. And then circling all the way around, and then out to the other corner, making a figure 8 in front of the body, polishing the table. As if your hands are gliding on a nice smooth surface, making it shine. And if you get lost, you can simply just drift side to side. One more time, polishing the table. And then circle the arms all the way in front, hugging the tree. And then from here, the arms open wide, the hands float down, and then the wrists cross in front of the heart as you step one foot in, coming on the ball of the foot. And then step out to the side, the hands brush out as well. This time you can lift your leg, pointing the knee to the corner, touching down as needed. This time you can kick your heel to the corner if you like, either straight out or towards the earth. And then finally, the arms can open as you kick the heel kick. And once again, you can kick down towards the earth or straight out or anywhere in between. meeting yourself where you're at. It's okay to wobble. One more time on this side, the heel kick. And then from here, the arms float out to the sides, stepping the other foot in, cross the wrists in front of the heart. Step out to the side, the hands brush out to the sides as well. This time you can lift your leg, pointing the knee to the corner, touching down as needed. This time you can kick your heel either straight out towards the earth or anywhere in between. And then finally, the arms can open as you kick the heel kick. Once again, touching down with the heel or kicking out a little bit higher. Sometimes a little challenge is okay. Or you can keep your heel down. That helps you stay in the flow. One more time, the heel kick. And then circle around, hugging the tree. From here, the arms open wide, the hands float down, the backs of the hands face each other. They float up the midline of the body and then drift out to the sides, the fountain. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Moving like water, soft but powerful. One more time, the fountain. This time, step one foot in, coming on the ball of the foot. And the arms float out to the sides like a beautiful bird, the crane. And you can keep your foot down or you can lift it up. Breathing in, breathing out. This time the arms can float up and over just as much as you can, comfortably. And then stepping down, other side. Just the arms at first, the crane. Breathing in, breathing out. This time lifting your leg if you like. Touching down as needed. And the arms can float up and over. And then stepping down. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hugging the tree. Breathing in, the arms open. Breathing out, fingertips drift towards each other, the hands float down. This time the palms face up as we scoop forward, coming all the way up and over, and then down in front of the body. The bathing breath. Scooping up this energy, the breath, letting it wash through the body. We're bathing in this healing energy. One more time, the bathing breath. And this time the arms float all the way up overhead, and then they begin to drift down towards one side, nice and slow, and then down the other side, like we're going down the mountain trail. Going all the way down, and when you get to the base of the mountain, we'll gather the energy from the earth, bring it right back up to the mountain peak, and then drifting down the other way, descending the mountain. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Once again, we'll gather the energy from the earth, bring it right back up to the top, going down the other way, just switching sides, going down the mountain trail. And then one more time, gathering the energy, bring it back up to the top, descending the mountain. And then from here, the arms float up to shoulder height. And then switching sides. This time the palms face away, the hands drift across the horizon, and then down. Floating up, drift across, painting on the canvas. All right, one more time, drift across. This time the arms float up and over like a big wave, the Chen circles. And just coming up as much as you can comfortably, opening the shoulders, lubricating the joints. One more time, the Chen circles. And then reverse direction with the arms. They float up to shoulder height, palms face away. The hands drift across the horizon and down. Floating up, drift across, painting on the canvas. All right, one more time. Breathing in, breathing out. This time the arms float all the way up and over, the chin circles, creating freedom of movement, opening the shoulders. Nice gentle stretch. All right, one more time. The chin circles. And then circle in front, hugging the tree. And then from here, the arms open wide, the hands float down, one hand on top of the other, by the lower abdomen. And then this hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Creating mental focus and clarity. Cultivating wisdom. One more time, centering. This time both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften. And circling the hands in front, gathering in the energy as if you're coming around a big ball in front of the body, back up to the heart and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. When turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart as we practice self-compassion. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. Hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly. Bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. Then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And then if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. Thank you so much for joining me today for our Tai Chi flow. So stick around for a few more moments for your poem of the day. So today's poem I call The Still Pond. In stillness, wisdom gently flows, like a pond where knowledge grows. Reflect within, let insight rise. Cultivate truth, deep and wise. Thank you so much again for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the session today. Please click the link right here to watch your strength training video of the day, and I'll see you over there.